If you want to close background apps on OnePlus 15, all you have to do is, if you use gestures for navigation, we need to slide from the bottom of the screen and hold it in the middle, like somewhere over here, for like half a second or so. So it looks more or less like this. And on the other hand, if you use buttons for navigation, let me actually quickly change that. If you use buttons for navigation, then instead you want to use this button with 3 lines. So a single tap quickly allows you to go to recent tasks or background apps. If you want to close a single app, then you can just simply swipe it up, just like that. And on the other hand, you can also just use this close button that closes pretty much everything, mostly except for the app that you just had opened. So if I go back to the home screen and then go to background apps, I can tap on close to close literally every app that I have running in the background over there. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.